In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix banner. Whether you're building a website for personal use or for a business, a well-designed banner can set the tone and make your site look professional and cohesive. Let's get started and guide you through the process of adding a banner to your Wix site. It all begins with understanding Wix's structure. In the Wix editor, everything revolves around sections and strips. Now, you have a couple of options depending on how you'd like to begin. If you're starting from scratch and prefer to have full customization, you can go straight to Add Elements in the Wix editor. From there, you'll want to click on Add Section. You'll see the option to choose a blank section or a pre-designed option labeled as a wireframe or strip. Think of this as your canvas where the banner will live. By selecting a blank section, you have the space to bring your creativity to life without any initial templates or restrictions. Alternatively, if you prefer starting from an existing design, you might want to consider dragging a pre-designed strip into your workspace. This option is especially useful if you value time and want a consistent theme that aligns with your site's design. Within Add Elements, you should see the possibility to add a strip or a banner-type design if it's available. These pre-designed sections offer a variety of layout ideas that can be tailored further to suit your vision. Once you've got your section or strip in place, you can modify and populate it with elements such as text, images, or buttons to create an engaging banner. Remember, your banner serves as the introduction to your site, so it's important to consider the message you want to convey. Use this opportunity to incorporate your branding elements such as logos or taglines. Ensure they're prominent within the banner design. While working, keep your target audience in mind. What would appeal to them and draw them into exploring your site further? If you're showcasing a product or service, choose images and color schemes that complement them and resonate visually with your visitors. And lastly, once you're satisfied with the design, preview the changes. See how they appear on various devices. Making sure your banner is responsive and looks good on mobile as well as desktop is essential. This step ensures a seamless experience for all visitors, regardless of how they access your website. Take the time to adjust any discrepancies you might find during the preview stage. And that's it. You've successfully added a banner to your Wix site. I hope you find this process fulfilling and that it brings a new level of professionalism to your website. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, consider subscribing for more content on enhancing your online presence. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.